Hey everyone, welcome to Explore with Educasa. My name is Maestra Jessica, and I'm going to show you how to use some natural materials today to make art at home. We're going to be drawing with sticks. So the first thing you're going to do is go outside. You're going to find any sticks that you like, big, little, whatever size. And this next step is just for adults. You're going to use your stovetop and burn the end of the stick. Make it nice and black so it draws really well once we get to that part. Next, you're going to put the stick in water, turn that fire off, make sure it's nice and wet so that it doesn't keep burning later, and it's not hot to the touch. Then you're going to dry it off as much as you can, and we're going to use it on paper. So get yourself a piece of paper, any paper will do, and make some marks. You can draw things, you can scribble, do whatever you would like. Families, you can ask the kids, what can you make with this stick? What lines? Curvy, straight, diagonals? Can you draw your face? Can you draw me? So you can help a little bit with the exploration, but also let kids just explore the material. If you don't have paper at home, you can use whatever cardboard you have. You can even use a cereal box. Cut it up and use the inside of the box. The last step we're going to do requires a spray bottle with some water in it. This step is going to make sure that the charcoal stays as much as it can on the paper. So you're just going to spritz your artwork with a little bit of water at the very end to keep it on the paper. And that's it. So go out, explore, and make some art with some natural materials. Thanks.